Tim Wirschke. I'm a plant manager here at Sika Canada in Cambridge. We're a production facility for the chemical admixtures for the concrete industry. The admixtures for concrete manufacture here are in various different groups. There's air and training products, Sika Plast line, there's a Sika Plast 200, there's a Sika Plast 500, and there's super plasticizers as well, which are the viscocrete products, and there's also various accelerators. From Cambridge here, we deliver the Ontario market, what we call central, and all the way to the east, the eastern market into Quebec and the Maritimes right now. Because of the nature of the chemical admixtures, we actually bulk deliver to customers. So we do have our own fleet of trucks as well as compartmentized tankers with weights and measures approved metering systems on them. So it's very specialized equipment to distribute the products that we produce here.